If you're working in Vector Studio in Affinity, but your vector shape looks pixelated, especially when you zoom in really close, there's a simple fix for this. Head to the top and find these two icons. The one on the right is Pixel View Mode, which displays a vector object as a pixel object. The one on the left is Vector View Mode, which makes the vector look smooth no matter how big you zoom in, as a vector should. So if you find your vector looks pixelated, simply switch to Vector View Mode. Then your vector graphic should look smooth regardless of how much you zoom in. Hope this quick tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.